Hey guys, Aaron here with Anarchy Outdoors. We are out on the range today. We are sighting in the Ruger Precision Rifle today. We also got the Trigger Tech Diamond Triggers, the last batch of the Diamond Triggers in today. So we're pretty excited to try that out and sight this guy in for 100 yards as we get ready for our match this weekend. So check it out. Here we go. First shot, 100-yard IPSC. See if we're close on our bore sight. Right in front of it, right?
So yeah, you're low and a little left.
Okay, so aiming dead center, IPSC.
Okay, you're low, just barely off where it meets the dirt on the target. You hit the target, and now you're on the right side.
Okay.
You need to come up.
One more, here we go.
Okay, that was right above the other one. And
So
you're about 4 inches higher, so just below the heart, still favoring the right side.
that's perfect. So we got a little bit of right. So for some reason I never remember which way to go for windage. I'm going left, right?
Yeah, you want to go left. So.
And I probably want to go half a mil left.
Mil is what, 3.6 inches at 100 yards.
I'm that big shiny spot right in the middle, right?
So I'm saying half a mil because 1 mil is 3.6 inches, right?
Okay, let's throw it on paper now.
Okay.
Okay, sight in on paper at 100 yards. Need a magazine with some bullets. Need some zoomification.
Going for the center one?
Yeah, I might as well.
Oh my goodness.
That's how you sight in a gun.
How you do it? You come up.
Oh, dude, we're like
3/4 of an MOA.
we're like 2 clicks maybe.
Now you're just right.
Which is what I did. I went one.
That's right.
I went one extra. So we'll come back.
Back one.
We'll come back one. Okay, while we're waiting for the barrel to cool off a little bit, let's pull this trigger a couple times and see what the heck they have it set to. So light it doesn't register.
You say that barely moved.
Oh, I gotta get it. I gotta turn it on. That's what I do. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Oh wow.
4 ounces.
That was my guess. Held up 4 fingers.
4 ounces. I'm gonna have to tear this open and adjust it at home tonight.
That's light.
Yeah. Let's do that again for you guys on camera. Here we go. So right there is the first stage. I just pulled through it. 4 ounces. Let's do that again, guys. 4 ounces. Get this ready. I'm gonna try and hold the wall, okay? It's just really hard. Okay, we're gonna try and hold the wall.
Oh wow. Can't do it.
I think if I watch the meter, right there, holding the wall, 3 ounces.
3 ounces to the wall.
3.5 ounces to full break. I need to turn that up to like 10. Otherwise, I'm going to get NDs.
Yeah.
Well, there you go, guys. We know how light you can set the
Trigger Tech makes a trigger.
I mean, that's basically deleting the first stage. Like look at this. I got it up to 5 ounces because it wasn't cocked. .9. I pulled too fast. Here we go again. Slowly. 4.3. We're going to take the verdict. Average at 3.8, 4, and a 4.3 is a 4-ounce trigger. So we're going to definitely turn this up when we get home. But we're going to take a couple more sighting shots. The great thing about the Ruger is it clamps right here and back here, so you can pull the bottom off and it not affect the zero too much. So, okay, here we go. We're on this across the magneto speed. There we go. Got a read.
A little bit of moisture. Huh?
There we go.
Recording.
Yep.
All in a good group.
It is a good looking group. Pulled that one. Dude, that's impressive.
What is it?
5 SD for factory ammo.
Wow.
How many shots do I have now? 5? 5 recorded shots. So we got on here. This is what it's looking like. So first shot was 29.64. Second shot was 29.58. Third shot was 29.51. And then a 29.56 and a 29.62, which gives us an average of 29.58 with an SD of 5, which is really, really good for the cheapest ammo you can buy, basically. This is Hornady Black, so not too shabby on that. So there we go. Couple takeaways from the range. One, the Trigger Tech is really too light. We gotta fix that. And I think we can shoot with this Hornady Black ammo. It's looking pretty good. We'll put another 5-round group over it real fast and see what it looks like.
I'm gonna keep my finger off that trigger. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. That is so light. That is crazy. I don't even feel the second stage.
I know, I should have tested it before, but I was doing
Or the
it
first
in a
stage, I
rush.
mean. I don't even feel the first stage on that. That is just nuts. The finger feels the metal, and then the gun goes off.
Yep.
That is the epitome of keep your finger off the trigger until your sights are on target and you're ready to fire.